You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Today, one of the most beloved holidays of Americans is celebrated in the USA, Thanksgiving Day. During the festive meal, in addition to traditional family topics, Americans will also discuss still high mortgage interest rates and the prospects of the cryptocurrency market. High interest rates, primarily on mortgages, worry almost every American, because most of them already have a mortgage or plan to get one. And the longer they limit themselves, the more economic growth slows down, which in turn should lead to a decrease in inflation. Returning to the topic of celebrating Thanksgiving, it is important to understand that the banking sector in the United States, like most other areas, is closed until Monday. As a result, trading activity in financial markets may significantly decrease. Given all this, a further increase in gold prices and, as a result, a breakthrough of a strong technical resistance level at the level of $2,007 per ounce is unlikely. As a rule, at such moments there is a corrective decline in prices, and after a prolonged weekend, an explosive growth can occur. Nevertheless, we should not exclude the appearance of strong movements in the so-called thin market, although this is not typical. And now let's talk about oil, the volatility of which is increasing. This is due to two important events at once. Firstly, its stocks in the United States are increasing for the fifth week in a row, exceeding the projected growth rates. Secondly, disagreements within OPEC Plus forced the group to postpone the upcoming meeting, suppressing speculation about a further reduction in oil production by the alliance. All these are bearish fundamental factors. Nevertheless, the decline in quotations attracted the attention of buyers, who managed to keep the market from developing a more powerful wave of sales. But the bearish scenario remains a priority until information becomes available about OPEC Plus readiness to increase the volume of oil production cuts. Shifting to the cryptocurrency market, I will draw attention to the explosive growth of Bitcoin to the maximum of this year. This was due to the appearance of information about the Binance agreement with the US government, which in turn reduces uncertainty. But investors still have not received the main bullish fundamental factor, namely the approval of the application for the creation of a Bitcoin ETF. And here everything is not so clear, because recently, more and more often, the largest representatives of the cryptocurrency market have pleaded guilty to very important violations, which only confirms the position of the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Therefore, uncertainty remains very high, although demand in the cryptocurrency market is also stable. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.